Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare SPYD with VYM. In this video I will compare expense ratio. We are going to look on fund overlap. I'm going to show you the performance, the backtest performance of how well it was performing, and also I'm going to show the dividend yield history of how much money you would make with both SPYD and VYM. So also, if you want to learn how you can make money with ETFs, I created a course. You will find it down below in the description. So let's go. Now, SPYD, VYM, what we can find here. Each year is different here. Expense ratio is similar. You can see clearly expense ratio 0.06 comparing to 0.07. VYM is a little bit cheaper. VYM Vanguard got higher assets under management, 40 billion, and also higher average daily volume. Now they got different high dividend index here, high dividend index SP500, and FTSE high dividend yield index, and VYM got more holdings. Now we also see the average spread is 0.02 on SPYD and 0.01% here. Now we will look on the performance soon, and then we have the sectors here. Sectors, as you can see, the financials is 34% to 22%, financial consumer non-cyclicals 14 to 9. Now SPYD, there are some things that I see that I don't really like, is that SPYD doesn't have a good downside protection. Also, the returns weren't that great for the past, like the recent returns, and also the companies are not that high quality, and I will get to it. Now healthcare 13% comparing to only 5, technology 10%, technology here is only 3.78. Now, utilities and energy is highly covered in SPYD comparing to VYM here. And now, when we look on the holdings, what we can see is that SPYD, you won't really find a lot of well-known companies here. Simon Property Group, that yes, it's a high dividend yield, but the thing is that it's kind of risky, in my opinion. But you see Pfizer here, Bank of America, Procter & Gamble Company, Home Depot, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil Corporation, Verizon Communications. Now when we look on the fund overlap, let me show you. We see that 82% of SPYD 79 holdings are also in VYM, and only 15% on VYM we would find in SPYD. So we can clearly see that SPYD 79 holdings, we will find a lot of them in VYM, but we can see the overlap by weight only 24%. That is, they are overlapping by Pfizer, Broadcom, ExxonMobil Corporation, but the overlap is not that huge. Now when we look on a backtest here, let me show you the backtest. So backtest is going to be like this, and analyze portfolio. We can clearly see that the VYM, you would make more money, but only by $4,000. And well, when we can see is that many times the SPYD was overperforming even VYM. But with the drop in the 2020, it didn't really recover. And portfolio 2, VYM was overperforming SPYD. Now we can clearly see here that 2016, SPYD was performing better. Then we can see 2017, VYM was better. Drop was huge with SPYD. And when we look on the dividend yield here, we can see that again SPYD outperformed VYM. But there is a thing to know and to understand, that with the VYM, you got potential maybe higher growth of the market comparing to SPYD that doesn't have really huge growth potential with those companies they have. And that's something to think about. So this is pretty much it. I think they're like both all right, but when we check here as VYM, even the VYM got really good dividend yield. And if I should decide between VYM and SPYD from the future perspective, I would choose VYM personally, only because like it's less risky comparing to SPYD and those companies they have in the ETF. So this is pretty much it. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.